Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of Suno AI. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Suno. Here in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we click on Play Store. You go here to Play Store. You will search about Suno AI to update your app. So please don't forget